Hello students, how are you? I hope all are fine. In last class we learnt about Cheras. Let us see a small recap. Do you remember who is the famous king among them? It is Imayavaramban Nedunjeraladan and his son Senguttuvan. What is their flag? That is, their symbol is bow and arrow. Which is their capital? Vanji. Vanji is the Cheras capital. In which river bank Cheras kingdom is emerged? River Poigai. In today's class, we are going to learn about Cholas. Have you heard the word Cholas? Yes, they were one among the Moovendars. Chera, Sora and Pandyas are called as Moovendars. Cholas also one among them. Chola kingdom is emerged from the river bank of Kaveri. Its river banks are very fertile. So near to that they cultivated more rice. And their capital is Urayur. Chola's capital is Urayur. Chola's kingdom is emerged from the river bank of Kaveri. So, because of the cultivation of more rice, the famous poet Uruthirankannanar in his book Pattinapalai is said that Cholanadu Sorudaithu. Because they are cultivating more rice. To mention this prosperity, the poet saying that Cholanadu Sorudaithu. Again keep it in your mind. Chola's river is Kaveri. Their capital is Urayur. Now we will see the book lines. Cholas. The early Cholas kept Urayur as their capital along the river Kaveri and ruled it. Which is their capital? Urayur. The river is Kaveri. Next, Uruthirankannanar of Kadayalur in his Pattinapalai describes that Cholanadu is famous for rice. Cholanadu Sorudaithu. Children, can you say some districts of Cheranadu? Yes, Erode, Tirupur, Coimbatore, Nilgiris and Kerala. Like that, Chola kingdom also comprised the present districts of Tiruchirappalli, Tanjavur, Pudukottai, Nagapattinam, Thiruvarur, Perambalur, Ariyalur and Kadalur. These districts altogether combined and called as a Chola kingdom in olden days. Now let us see the book lines. The Chola kingdom comprised the districts of Tiruchirappalli, Tanjavur, Pudukottai, Nagapattinam, Thiruvarur, Perambalur, Ariyalur and Kadalur. Children, one more time, what are the districts in Chola's kingdom? Tiruchirappalli, Tanjavur, Pudukottai, Nagapattinam, Thiruvarur, Perambalur, Ariyalur and Kadalur. The land of Chola was fertile due to the river Kaveri. I already told you Chola kingdom is emerged in the river bank of Kaveri. Because of this river, the country is too fertile. So they are cultivating more rice. The country became very famous for rice. Next, the kings ruled by providing justice to their subjects. The kings did not show any partiality between the people. They treated all of them in an equal way. The kings ruled by providing justice to their subject. The greatest ruler among the Cholas was Karigala Cholan, who was also called Karihal Peruvellathan. So, children, do you remember who is the greatest ruler of Cheras? Yes, it is Imayavaramban Nedunjeraladan and Cheran Senguttuvan. Like that, in Chola's kingdom, King Karihal Cholan is called as very famous king. His another name is Karihal Peruvellathan. So, the famous king of Chola is Karigala Cholan. The greatest ruler among the Chola was Karigala Cholan, who was also called Karigal Peruvellan. Children, do you like story? Yes, everyone likes story. Shall we see? Karigalan became king at very young age. One day his enemies captured and put it in the jail. They planned to kill him. So they set fire in the room in which Karigalan was arrested. When he tried to escape from the fire accident, his feet burnt. Due to this reason, he was called as Karigalan. Now let us see the book lines. Karigala Cholan took the responsibility of a king at very early age and ruled efficiently. Efficientlyனா ரொம்ப திறமையான ஆட்சி செய்தார். அவர் ரொம்ப சின்ன வயசில் ராஜாவா வந்தாலும் ரொம்ப திறமையான ஆட்சி நடத்தினார். So he ruled very efficiently. When he was very young, he was captured by his enemies and imprisoned. The room in which he was arrested was set on fire. In this fire accident, his feet burnt. Due to his charred leg, he was called as Karigalan. அவரோட எனிமிஸ்லாம் ஜெயிலில் பிடிச்சி போட்டு அந்த ஜெயிலுக்கு நெருப்பு வச்சுட்டாங்க. அப்போது அந்த தீயிலேருந்து அவர் தப்பிக்க முயற்சி செய்யும்போது அவரோட கால்கள் ரெண்டும் கருகிடுச்சு. அதனால தான் அவரோட பேரே கரிகாலன்னு மாறிடுச்சு. At very young age, he disguised as an old man and tactfully justified a case. When he was young, he dressed as an disguised means different. He dressed as an old man. இளமையானவராக இருந்தாலும் என்ன பண்ணார், ஒரு முதியவர் மாதிரி ட்ரெஸ் பண்ணிட்டு போய் அங்கே நடக்கிற பிரச்சனைகளுக்கெல்லாம் ரொம்ப திறமையான முடிவுகளை கொடுத்தாரு. The kings always like to expand their kingdoms. To expand the kingdoms, what they will do? They will fight with the other country kings. Like that, Cheras and Pandyas fight with Karigala Cholan at the place called Venni. Even two big kings attacked him. Karigalan won the battle. Now let us see the book lines. The Cheras and Pandyas together attacked Karigalan at Venni, Vagai Perundalai. Finally, Karigala Cholan defeated the two rulers and there was victorious. Where this war happened? The place called Venni, Vagai Perundalai. How Sengutuvan built temple for Kannagi? Do you remember? Yes. When he invaded on Himalayas, he brought the captive soldiers from there to here and he built the temple for Kannagi. In the same way, Karigala Cholan also invaded on Sri Lanka and brought the captive soldiers from there to here and he built the dam called Kallanai. This is his lifetime achievement. Why he built the dam called Kallanai? Do you have any idea? Yes, in olden days, oftenly காவேரி ரிவர் கெட் ஃப்ளட்டட்னா நிறைய வெள்ளம் வந்துடும், அடிக்கடி நிறைய மழை பெய்யும், அதனால வெள்ளம் வந்துடும். ஸோ த பீப்புள்ஸ் ஆர் கெட் அஃபெக்டட். டு சேஃப்கார்ட் தெம் ஹி பில்ட் த பிக் டேம் கால்ட் Kallanai. Now let us see the book lines. He invaded Sri Lanka and brought the captives from there to build the dam Kallanai across the river Kaveri. The dam still stands erected even after 2000 years of its construction. Kallanai was constructed by the Chola king Karigalan in the 2nd century BC. This is said to be the world's oldest dam still in use. Where is Kallanai built? It is across the river Kaveri. Who built Kallanai? The Chola king Karigalan built Kallanai. Where is the war happened? at the place called Venni. Don't forget all these things. The Venni War is very important in the history of Cholas. Now let us see the small recap of Cholas. Where is their kingdom emerged? The river Kaveri. What is their capital? Urayur. Their port is Kaveri Pumbattinam. Their symbol or flag is tiger. Can I ask some questions to you children? First question. Who was the greatest Chola king of the ancient period? Karigala Cholan. Second one. Name the capital and port of Cholas. Yes, capital Urayur, port Kaveri Pumbattinam. Hope you all understand this lesson clearly. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.